Chad is installing a new, wait, what are you installing?
It's a new water filtration system. We are tired of buying bottled water at all the campgrounds. We are replacing the one that comes on the coach with the GoBluTech Trio water filtration system.
So I have a question. Is this gonna filter the water that comes out of the shower too?
This is gonna filter all water that goes into the coach.
How about out here when we do the outside showers?
Every water that goes to the coach.
That makes me feel so much better because, you know, like the two younger kids love to drink the freaking water when they're in the shower. And I'm always worried like, oh no, like they're gonna get a freaking amoeba like Grayson did when he was little. All right, so what are you doing right now?
I am uninstalling the system that's already on there.
With your handy dandy pliers. Is that the right tool?
That's the right tool.
I shouldn't call them alligator chompy things.
You could.
That's what they look like.
You might get a few people questioning that.
What all tools are you gonna need to do this?
Right now, pliers.
Need the pliers, and what else?
I'm not sure yet. I know I need a screwdriver to screw this one in, and I had to buy a special tool that I don't have out here in order to crimp the new lines that we're installing.
The special tool I was referring to earlier is the PEX crimping tool. I didn't end up using the PEX system. I went with stainless steel hose clamps. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. I'm not a plumber. It could have been bad. I don't know. Y'all tell me. I did end up blowing a line later on. I just replaced it with another hose clamp, and so far it's working just fine.
Now, for the moment of truth.
As you can see, the water is flowing in the wrong direction. I'm gonna have to switch these lines around.
Apparently, this is my fresh water coming out, and this is the exit. So I have to cross over the lines this way, which is why it didn't work the first time. So here it goes. Moment of truth times 2. At least we have the flow going the right direction now. Doesn't appear to be any leaks. The GoBluTech Trio is a 3-stage 0.2 micron water filtration system. We've had it installed for a couple of months now, and we absolutely love it. The water tastes fantastic, and we can drink it out of any faucet. Sarah swears that it's even better for her hair. And God knows I've paid enough for those extensions, so we got to keep them looking fresh.